education. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have another question.
This one is for Neva Siha. This was also asked to me during our pageant. Can you describe to me your perfect family day?
Para sa akin, ang perfect family day po is simple lang. Dahil nanggaling po ako sa isang broken family, naniniwala po ako na makasama ko lang ang nanay at tatay ko pati ang kapatid ko sa normal na araw. Yun po ay isa sa pinaka-espesyal na araw para sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much for that question. I have a question for Botolan Zambales. Antonio Alexa. Okay, here's your question. Who inspired you to join this pageant?
Can you repeat the question?
Who inspired you to join this pageant?
ang taong nag-inspired sa akin na sumali sa patimpalak na ito ay ang aking sarili. Bakit? Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag ako ay nanalo dito, may papakita ko at may papahayag ko ang aking advokasya na pabasa ni Jose. Ang pabasa ni Jose ay naglalayong matulungan ang ating mga katutubong aita na hindi naaabot ng teknolohiya at hindi naaabot ng makabagong teknolohiya. Na matulungan sila, hindi lamang matutong bumasa, kundi matutong umintindi. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Now let's call on Justin Mabino from Samar to answer a question.
Hello? Parang ka may question din to no parent namin. So, yung question ko sa'yo is, if you could have one superpower that will help you shine on stage, what would it be and why?
If I could have one special superpower, that would be spreading kindness, just like about that. I do believe that if we spread some kindness to our community, we're not just inspiring one another, but we are uplifting. Because I truly believe that when we uplift other people and when we help other people and work hand in hand, we could have a better Asian world. Because I truly believe also that if we spread just like a confetti, we're not just having progress, but we are preparing it for the next generation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We have a question for Daniel Balane Legasca from Tarlac. Here's your question.
Tarlac. Ito na. True leadership means serving others. How do you plan to serve if you become Mr. Team Philippines 2026?
Thank you for that wonderful question. As a young individual, I want to use my voice to inspire fellow youth to believe in themselves, pursue their dreams, and become responsible member of society. This journey has taught me that confidence is not about being perfect, but by the positive impact we create of the lives of others. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have another question for one Filipino leader from the Zambales province.
This is in terms of leadership. If the local government leaders were not allocating enough budget to your chosen advocacy, how would you convince them to support your cause? If the local government leaders were not allocating enough budget to your chosen advocacy, how would you convince them to support your cause?
As a fellow Asan Sambalenyo, I will use my voice for each and every one. I will use my voice to all the voiceless of my fellow youth. I will use my social media platform to raise awareness to all the corruption surrounding all over the world and to call out the government to be held accountable and give them the good governance and transparency to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here's another question for J. Carlos Cerezo from Pangasinan. Please move forward.
Hello. So what is the most meaningful compliment you've ever received and why does it resonate with you? Again, what is the most meaningful compliment you've ever received and why does it resonate with you?
The meaning, the thing that the compliment is the one most compliment that I ever received is that I am isa akong batang hindi sumusuko sa pangarap ko. And that's representing me that I am here today standing in front of you that I face so many challenges that made me fall, but stand here, not just to live out my dreams, but I'm here to chase my goals, to achieve all of my dreams. Yan lang. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have more questions? Okay, can I call from Rojas City Capiz, Rico Corbin to answer this question?
In terms of leadership, what unique cultural or traditional asset of your region you think needs to know more national attention? How would you promote it?
Come again, bro.
What unique cultural or traditional assets of your region do you think needs more national attention? And how would you promote it?
So for me, the traditional asset that we need to, what's the last question, sir?
How do you promote your what unique cultural or traditional asset of your region do you think needs more national attention? And how would you promote it?
Well, for me, it would be in the fisher folks. I grew up in the community of